Hey everybody, today's topic of discussion is volume of triangular prisms. So we're going to jump right into that. Um, just like with rectangular prisms and any other prism for that matter, a triangular prism is named for the shape of its base. All right, so um, a lot of people think that the side that it appears to be resting on would be the base of the figure, but because this is named a triangular prism, we have these triangular sides there, here and here, right? Those are the bases for this particular prism because it's named a triangular prism. All right, so I'm going to remove those. So the nice thing is that our volume formula is the same. Volume is equal to capital B, where capital B is the area of the base times the height of the figure. Okay, so if we go on ahead and we start talking about finding the area of the base, we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the triangle's height. All right. So there are 3 different measurements here that all are on a triangle. We have 20, 12, and 16 centimeters. All right, so which of those 3 are we going to be using in the formula? Well, if you remember back whenever we were doing the review of area of triangles, I said look for that right angle symbol. That will always connect the base to the height. So right there is that right angle symbol. So that tells me I'm going to use this 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters. All right. That 20 centimeters isn't going to be used. That's a different measurement on the triangle that we don't need for our formula. Okay. So if you see that, you can get rid of that measurement right away. So now all we need to do is substitute this information in. 1/2 of the base, which is 12, times the height of 16. All right, so if we have our calculators, we can just type this in 1/2 times 12 times 16. Well, half of 12 is 6, and then 6 times 16 gives me 96. All right, so I'm going to use that 96 to substitute it back into my volume formula. So V is equal to 96 times whatever the height of this figure is. All right, now the height of the figure is the distance between the 2 triangular bases. So we want to know what's the distance between that triangle and what's the distance between that triangle. Well, if I look, I've got that given to me right here with that line. So that means the height of this figure is 10 centimeters. All right, so even though it's laying down, it doesn't look like it's standing up. That 10 centimeters is the height. It's not the 16 centimeters. That was the height of the triangle. Okay, so now we just need to do 96 times 10. 96 times 10 gives me 960. And again, our units are cubic because we're looking at a 3-dimensional figure. All right, and that would be our final answer. All right, I hope you guys found this helpful. Again, as always, feel free to reach out. We are more than happy to help you guys in any capacity that you may need. So hopefully you guys find this to be easy. And then the next 2 days, we're looking at volume of pyramids. Have a great day. We'll see y'all later.